love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hi, it's me, Corin Fraé. Subscribe for more lovelies. Hey y'all, it's me, Corin Fraé. Welcome to my channel. Yes, it's future me. So y'all gonna watch this video and see how I achieve this beautiful style. Like, whew, y'all. The locks under here, they was not like cooperating, so I did it off camera. But let me know if y'all want a video of me putting down my locks and putting the cap over. Okay, so you guys, this company sent me this hair, and it's like, I fell in love. The company is called, I don't want to butcher y'all name. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering y'all name. But it's on Amazon, and it's called Fecihor, I don't know what it's called, but go check them out. And this wig came fast, and I'm loving it. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. So here, I'm just showing y'all. I already put the makeup on there, y'all. I was kind of scared to put this on, because I'm like, whew. But it's long, like real long. Real long. I'm trying to show y'all. And get it. Okay, you doing too much. Yeah, you doing too much. Stop. Alright. Now we finally gonna jump into this for real. Once again, it's very stretchy. I'm just showing you how it is still. Just showing you, and just in case you have extra questions, it is giving scalp. And I didn't braid on the back of my head. It's just a ball. But that scrap got me right. I'm not gonna lie. It got me right. You couldn't even tell. Y'all, this is when I was like, I'm gonna just take this wig off. It was very secure, but it kind of felt too snug for my locks. In the back, it did what it's supposed to did. It was very laid down and tight down. Of course, I was feeling myself. Yes, y'all gonna see me feeling myself a lot, because y'all, I didn't have plaits in so long. I live for it. Slow motion. Ow. Okay, give him a hip. And okay, I'm doing too much. For real. Like, be for real, girl. I just said you doing too much. So we're putting down his legs. You can go the glue route or the black even spray route. I'm actually gonna choose the glue. So yeah, girl, I said the glue. The glue. So I'm just putting down the glue, as y'all can see. Get in the camera. Dang. So we're gonna sit here, rub it in, let it dry to clear dry. Here I am dancing again. Girl, focus. You cannot dance. Like, what are you doing? You can't dance. No, you can't. Bruh. Bye. Come back when something's happening. Everything here is self-explanatory. I'm just recording myself. See? Bye. Yeah, I know I play too much, but I'm actually making this face because it's giving me a whole facelift. Like, it's that tight. Like, it's really doing what it's supposed to do. It's pulling my eyes up. It's giving cat eyes. So I'm just going to spray this spray to go ahead and tie it down. And the extra lace that you see by my ears is not going to be there. I just didn't get a chance to cut it yet. Y'all, if you know, at this part, I tired my freaking nigga nap. Y'all, I'm a G though, so I ain't cry on camera, but you know, so we okay. I just took a moment of silence to pray for little bro, cause that hurt it too bad, y'all. Whew. Yeah. I'm gonna set the timer to 10 minutes. Girl, clean that phone. Clean it. Alright, y'all. So I was cutting the lace off. I left some lace on, like in these parts, because I'm not gonna keep the wig. I'm gonna give it away, so I didn't want to like cut it exactly to this part. Y'all, oh, I forgot to mention, y'all, it is a synthetic lace, so I don't know if the edges can curl, but I didn't want to cut the edges off once again because I'm giving away, also because I like fluffy curly edges. Like, y'all know how I love my edges. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the party look for the makeup. I'm trying to see if I want to use that color. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do this part off camera because I really don't want to forget. Yeah, so I'm going ahead and put the makeup through parts. But y'all, because it's synthetic, I'm gonna try to see if it's gonna curl. Ooh. Yeah, I straightened it. Let me see again. If y'all like this, don't put no heat on it at all. Let me try to turn the other way. Y'all see I'm turning. So here I'm just trying to go ahead and shape the edges. I'm not sure if I want to cut it yet because once again I was giving this wig away. So it's like, So we're going for a fluffy look. Usually I would use the black even spray. Yeah, that thing was not focusing for nothing. Oh, I might choke, but I won't tell you a lie. This side was so hard because I tried to straighten it. These baby hairs, I'm not gonna lie, don't touch it with no heat, please. Don't be like me, because I was getting frustrated. I just did the rest off camera. I know y'all gonna hate me. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm so mad I couldn't get the look that I really wanted because you can't curl these edges at all. So these had these gel on, so that's why I look so flat down, and these are fluffy. But I'm just go ahead and put some WHATT spray to give it, you know, like I just got my hair done for real look. And I have a shine spray, but because it's already synthetic, we don't need too much. Actually, why not? Let's give it a little shine. I'm gonna go ahead and get dolled up and we'll see the finished result. Hey y'all, I wanna say thanks for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you made it here, please comment down a green heart. Yes, that's my favorite color. But also I wanna see like what y'all like to watch. Are y'all watching the whole thing? So if you watch this to the end, please comment down a green heart. And like, hold on, let's get into it again. Let me take these out. Did y'all see it? Yeah. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I love it, I love it, I love it. And the edges, y'all, so sorry I had to do it off the camera. It was just not, you know, doing what it do. But thank you for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back with another video. Maybe next week. I'm trying to get these out. Like, I'm trying to, your girl's trying to get on it. What am I doing? So, once again, thank you. Even for your positive comments. I love it. I love it so much. And thank y'all. Bye, lovelies.